Hello everyone. Today we're going to prepare a delicious eggplant with pork, a light, practical Japanese recipe that's perfect for dinner. And let's start our recipe with the sauce. It will be 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Any brand is fine. You can use the light version too. 1 teaspoon of vinegar, just regular white vinegar. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of gochujang, which is the Korean chili paste, right? It's like this. Use a heaping teaspoon. One teaspoon of oyster sauce. I'll use this brand here, which is the best one available. It can be a heaping teaspoon. 2 grated garlic cloves. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. And 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. Done. 1 tablespoon of mirin. 1 tablespoon of sake, the drinking sake. Done. If you don't have it, you can use cachaça. Just mix everything very well. And we'll use this sauce at the end of our recipe. Done. And now an eggplant. Just cut off the stem. And cut it like this. It can't be too thick. It can even be a little thinner like this. And let's cut everything. If you don't like the peel, you can remove it. Because many people don't like it, right? And here everything is cut. Butter here in the frying pan. And let's fry our eggplants over medium heat until golden brown. Done. Then we will flip them. Here it got golden brown. Just flip it. And let's brown the other side. Don't worry, it will cook well. Just leave it on medium to low heat. And here, everything is nicely fried. Just take it out. And now, repeat the process until all the eggplants are fried. And here, just arrange them on a plate. It can be any plate you want. Just keep placing them on top. And here I recommend leaving the middle part a little empty because we're going to add the meat. And here I have about 300 grams of pork belly. And I left it a little bit frozen to make it easier to cut, right? We're going to slice it very thin as you can. We're going to make something like shabu, as they say in Japan, right? We're going to cook. Well, not really cook, just dip it in hot water, right? Sort of. Just to cook it lightly. It won't stay raw. It should look more or less like this. And you can also take that much thicker pork belly and do it the same way. It turns out even better. It's just that I had this one left over in the fridge, so I decided to make this recipe. There you go. Plenty of water in the pot. And now, chop green onions to taste. Here the water started boiling. Just add all the meat. And let's cook until the meat is no longer raw, okay? Here actually shabu is made with slices of pork or beef, right? Very thin beef. Sliced and dipped in boiling water, really quick. Then dipped in the sauce, and that's it. Just eat. Here it's already thicker, right? Let's let it boil for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, then turn it off. 2 minutes are up, just turn it off. Just let the meat drain. And you can reuse this broth for arame or even for soup. If you're not going to use it now, just freeze it. Put all the meat on top here. A recipe that's great if you want to impress someone. Now just pour all the sauce on top. And green onions. And our recipe is ready. Simple, tasty, and perfect for a light meal. If you liked it, leave a like. See you in the next video, and